All right, so I'm going to be doing something a little different, and I'm going to be making a lip color. I don't know where this palette came from, but I'm just gonna pick one of these colors and I'll make a lipstick. Let's see. I think I'm feeling, with my makeup today, maybe like a purple. I could do purple or I could do red. I think I'm gonna do purple. I'm gonna start with this purple. Get some of this pigment and add it one. I guess I can put it in this cup. This works. So doing this purple, I don't know what color that is, but it says it's number, I don't know. You know what, maybe I'm gonna do it on my hand. I think it's gonna be better. And honestly, I'm not doing anything special. I literally have some Vaseline, and then like I just rub some of the pigment from this eyeshadow, and we're gonna rub it in. Let's see how it works. And mind you, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I don't do none of this at all the time. But I'm actually kind of like obsessed. Like, I've seen this done before and I just want to try it out. So maybe like scoop that on there. Like, I've seen this done and I just like always wanted to try and see like how it comes out. Okay, it's getting a little purplish after a little mixing. Should I do a lip liner? No, we're just gonna put it on there. All right, here's to the first time. Oh my gosh. Hold up. No. I did not think that the purple was gonna look good on me. It's not perfect. I have not perfected this at all, but I literally just used a Q-tip and some Vaseline and there that is, y'all. I don't think I've ever done purple lipstick before. Worn purple lipstick, even bought a purple lipstick. But the only thing I need to work on is like mixing it a little more. As far as like the way the color looks, it actually looks really good. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I love it.